Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. I'm Sylvia. This is my mom. I call her Maja or Mama. What do you like to be called?
Mama.
Mama? Maggie, for people that you're not their mom. Anyway, so I was here at my parents' house. We were making pierogi last week and we made a video, and I'm going to show you how to make pierogis and how to finish them beautifully. But Mom, I have some bad news.
Eh?
So we recorded hours of us making pierogis, having fun, laughing, making jokes, and I made a mistake and I forgot to put the microphone on. So there's no sound on any of our beginning segments of making pierogi. No sound.
It's good.
What do you mean that's good?
No, because my accent is terrible.
Oh my gosh, your accent is so beautiful and cute. But anyway, so a YouTuber's nightmare, making content and only realizing when you get home and you try to edit that there is no sound and no way to save that. But the good news is some of the video did have sound, and we are gonna talk you through how to make some pierogis. I'm gonna put the recipe in the link here, and you're gonna see us finish them off and make them beautifully. So at least there's a savings grace to this video, but
do you remember what did you put?
I do remember because the B-roll is still there. The video is there, but just no sound. So I was a little bit heartbroken because I thought it was really good. Oh, don't you be sorry. I screwed up.
Sorry.
I don't want you to be sorry. I'm the one that messed up, but that's okay. The memories will live on in our heart all the time and in our tummies because we ate a lot of pierogi. Okay.
What about when we do again?
Yep, we'll do it again. How many episodes of pierogis can you watch? Probably a lot because I can eat a lot.
Me too.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to take you through how we made the pierogis from scratch, and then the sound will come on halfway through this video of our real cooking, and we'll take it from there. So thank you for being patient, and thank you for watching, and here we go. Let's make pierogi.
Okay, thanks.
For as long as I can remember in our household, the go-to and OG pierogi was always made with potato and farmer's cheese or condensed cottage cheese, a little bit of salt and pepper, and that is it. We always make the dough from scratch, which is simply just water, 1 egg, a little pinch of salt, and a lot of love working that in by hand. You can obviously use a stand mixer for it too, but I want to make sure that I don't over knead the dough and just let it rest a little bit before rolling it out into a nice thin layer. I sort of wait for my mom to tell me how thin or thick it should be, and then we just make little cutouts to be able to start filling it. So it's really a very simple recipe, not a lot of ingredients, but it is a labor of love because it does take a long time to make all of these. Now, once we have them made, we are going to give them a nice boiling bath in just some salt water, and we just want to make sure that they don't stick, so sometimes I just move them around with a wooden spoon once they're in there, and then they need to float for about 2 or 3 minutes before removing them from that, just straining them and putting them in a dish with a little bit of butter again so they don't stick. Now you can eat the pierogis just like this out of the boiling water, but we want to crisp them up today and give them a little extra zhuzh.
Okay, we have moved outside after boiling our pierogi, and we've got the Blackstone getting hot. Are you excited?
Nice.
Okay,
The cold weather?
here I have a surprise though, Mom. Traditionally, Christmas, we don't have bacon because it's meatless Christmas, but today we are taste testing, so I have bacon, I have onions, and then we are gonna griddle these pierogis up. Are you excited to eat some?
Yes, I want.
Okay, let's cook.
All right, so I'm gonna drop my bacon and my onions onto a little bit of an oiled griddle. I don't need too much oil because the bacon is gonna come out with a little bit of flavor from there. I did cut my bacon, so I just needed to make sure I pulled it apart a little bit while it was cooking.
Good job, Mom. How do you like the Blackstone?
Beautiful.
She said beautiful. I like this. She gets to take over and cook today.
Bravo. When you're not here, can I do it too?
Yes, please.
Mom, you're doing a great job. Do you like it? It's like a big frying pan. No, that's cute. Look at me. Woo!
Okay, Mom, I have the pierogies.
Okay, what we can do with them?
Okay, so you have to move the bacon over to one side and move the onions to the other. Do you want this?
Oh, pierogi będą na środku?
The pierogies will be in the middle, yes. Oh, I was giving you this so you could move it, but look at you, you're so fancy.
I'm crazy.
Okay, so now you have to put the pierogies on the patelnia, on the Blackstone. Oh my gosh, now I'm speaking Polish.
Yeah.
Yeah, let some of that bacon cook these pierogies too.
Wrzucasz na środek? Pojedynczo?
Po angielsku.
Are we doing like that?
Yes, you're gonna do it. You put
Can you
the,
flip it?
yeah, can you put that down, Mom? Put the tongs down. Yeah, I'm gonna let you do it. No, you do it.
How?
But make sure the camera can see. What?
Oh.
All of them. Yeah. And that can go on that side.
In too.
We'll turn it down a little bit so they don't burn. And then you're gonna have to flip. Okay, so we'll switch because this is an easier tool for you to be able to put your back of the head to the camera. You have to go this way.
No.
Your back of the head was on the camera. Yep. Here, switch with me. So this is gonna be easier so you can just flip it. Isn't this so much better than a small frying pan? Flip. Yeah.
Oh, so dark, look.
No, that's perfect. It's so crispy.
Oh my.
Oh my. I think you're excited.
No, I'm scared.
You're not scared. You're doing so good.
Look. Look.
I'm just sitting back and enjoying you cooking on the Blackstone. This is so fun.
Tasty, Darren. What about sour cream?
We need sour cream too.
Oh, baby.
Here, do you want help?
Yes. Yes. Oh, you are pro with that.
I'm not a pro. Well, maybe. That's really nice to hear that I'm a pro. See how fast it got nice and brown too? And I have it on low heat.
Oh, because that's bacon. What about when we do without bacon?
Then we're just going to use a little bit of butter and that's going to brown them too. Okay, so I think we're ready, right?
Putting them there?
I think we're going to put them back in there and we're going to make it look pretty so that you guys can see a nice up close shot. And then
we can eat.
we can eat. Looks good?
Looking good.
Does it look great? I think
Let's go eat.
I think we should eat. Yeah? Are you ready to eat?
Let's go try.
Okay, let's get some sour cream and let's try these babies. Thank you so much for making pierogies with me.
You're welcome.
I'm so grateful for these days. I hope you like them as much as I do.
I will.
I'm hungry.
Let's go.
Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Na zdrowie.
Messy.
Mmm.
Oh, they good.
Mmm. Mmm.
Wow.
Love you.
Love you. Mmm.